Hi, my name is Josh Evilsizor, and today we're going to talk about the most powerful email search techniques. I want you to keep watching. If you are tired of searching your inbox and getting crappy results, you're here for the better way. The techniques to help you narrow your email searching to find exactly and only what you need. That's exactly what this video series is about. Let's go. All right, so the big idea here is that the right email search operators help us to work smarter instead of harder. Search operators, yeah. Search operators are just questions that we're asking our inbox. Bad questions provide a fishing net full of answers. This is unhelpful. These are bad questions. This represents our inbox and what happens when we ask our inbox bad questions. Too many emails. Too many emails to comb through to find exactly what we're looking for. These smart operators provide a single targeted result. That's the marlin we're looking for right there with smart operators. Just one email. And finding the one you need through search eliminates manual scrolling, looking, reading, combing through the results of a bad search. That's what we're trying to avoid here. Targeted results come from using a smart operator to ask a smart question. Thus, smart operators help us to do email smarter, not harder. All right, so up next are the smartest operators to help you do email smarter. To and from operators. So this is our inbox. It represents any inbox. And here we're going to talk about how this operator allows you to specify the sender or the recipient. So if I search, or again, if I ask Gmail to show me all emails to Bob, it's going to look like this, to:Bob, that's our operator. Gmail would answer by, it's going to serve up to me all emails sent to anyone named Bob, just like it looks. Or if I ask Gmail to show me all emails from Bob, like this, from:Bob, the search results, or the answer to the question that I asked Gmail, the answer Gmail is going to give me, it's going to be huge. All emails from Bob, right? Phishing trawler, huge. Bad questions, unhelpful. All right, so Gmail is going to answer with every email from any Bob. Oh, by the way, these operators, they now work primarily or generally, they work generally across all email search providers or email providers. So Outlook, Yahoo, etc., all work generally the same. So this should work for you if you're not on Gmail. So how do we improve this search though? From Bob, from:Bob. It's very simple. We use an email address, a very unique identifier. Instead of asking Gmail for every email from Bob like this, we just ask every Gmail for every email from Bob Dabalina. So from: and then Bob Dabalina at Inotech.com. Of course, if you've been working in Inotech for Bob Dabalina for more than a week and you ask Gmail, hey, give me all the emails from Bob Dabalina, this is going to give you more answers than you want. This is why to/from operators are a great starting question. They're a great going in position. Before you look for anything else, start with to and from to get things cooking. So when we combine these smart operators, that's when we get that one single answer that we want. So here's a quick example. You've got these overdue TPS reports, this problem you've got to deal with. So you urgently need to find an email from Bob Dabalina about your overdue TPS reports. So where do you start? What do you do? Instead of just typing TPS reports, right? This is what we normally do. I need TPS reports, TPS reports. It's going to give us bad results, right? So, and getting a bad result from our bad question, we are going to do something different. Since we know that this email we're looking for is from a specific Bob Dabalina, and it was sent to you, and it involves TPS reports, we have 3 data points. So you could ask Gmail to give you only those 3 emails, and that's what we're going to do. That meet all that criteria. That's what you could do. So we're going to do that like this. Here's our search bar, and we're going to start with from Bob Dabalina at Inotech.com, just like we did before. This is better than just from Bob, since this question asks for only emails from Bob Dabalina. right? We've narrowed down the search. Who works at Innotech? So an even narrower search. And of course, only one person responds to this email address. It's a very unique identifier. It's like it's probably more unique than a social security number since all the stolen identities going on out there. Anyways, Bob Dabalina, who works at Innotech, to works exactly the same way. So we've got from Bob Dabalina at Innotech.com to me. Very easy. All right, now we're asking Gmail for only emails from Bob Dabalina sent to me or you. And the finishing move here is to ask Gmail for the TPS reports by adding those keywords as such. From Bob Dabalina to me, TPS reports. Now we're getting only emails from Bob Dabalina to me with TPS reports appearing somewhere in those emails, body, subject, or attachments. And I will cover later how to narrow that down as well. All right, so in summary, if you know who sent the email and or if you know it was sent to you or who it was sent to, use the to and from search operators. By the way, the CC me operator works just the same, and it's extremely useful as well. Covered that in videos 51 and 65, linked in the description down below. Up next, subject operators. And I want to say thank you. Thanks for showing up for the know how. Thanks for sticking around for the know why. And please check out my other videos to get more of each. Finally, if this video was helpful, as always, please like, subscribe, and share it with somebody else who might like it. And please do remember that you can reach me with my information that is in the comments or description down below in these slides. And if you leave questions, as always, I will leave answers. Thanks for watching and have a great day.